Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you my unboxing. I recently bought a Remington MB4120 E51, which is from the Beard Boss series. There is a should I say the entry level, this one, and the Beard Boss Pro. So the basic model is something that I just wanted to buy to just do basic trimming and didn't want to spend so much money, so I looked for something really expensive. I did pay around 15 euros, so that is, I don't know, 16 to 17, maybe $17. So yeah. Okay. So let's do the unboxing. So inside the box you will have the tool, so the beard trimmer, and also batteries. I did put the batteries inside just to test out the trimmer, of course. There is a manual and just a little tool, a little brush to help with the maintenance, the cleaning inside of the trimmer itself. So here we have the manual. It is in different languages, of course. So here are the support lines you can call if you have any problems with that. Okay, so here's the tool itself. It has really just a standard shape to it to be really good in the hand. We have a locking feature. This is really nice, so you can unlock it, then you can set your size. It starts at 18 millimeters up to 1.5. Let's say you would like to trim to, I don't know, 1 centimeter. You can lock it and it will stay locked. And you can trim your beard and do whatever you like with your facial hair, but also with your regular hair, because this one can also help you with trim your sides, sideburns, etc. So this is not only for beard, in my opinion, but also for your hair. If you are, if you like to have a, I know, if you like to have your hair at 1.8 centimeters, then you can lock it down, shave quickly, and you will save time and money, of course. You don't have to go to the hairdresser, etc. So inside here we have these two Remington batteries. So it is powered by two AAAs, and this is how it works. Nothing special, no. So cleaning, you can open it up and just wash it, and then put it back together, and there is it. So really a nice, inexpensive product in my opinion. And yeah, if you want to pay more money, you can get the Plus, the Beard Boss Pro, which has a really nice slide regulator here, and you can more precisely dial in the trimming size, but this is fine in my opinion. Really, there is nothing more that I could say about it. If you are looking for a beard trimmer, really inexpensive one, then and want still buy a reputable company, then this is one option out there. So the Remington MB4130A51 Beard Boss. Oh, sorry about that. That was the Pro version. This is the MB4120 E51. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm trying to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but also tools and hobby stuff like Warhammer, unboxings of books and tools. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.